Alrighty then, it's day 12. Day 12. Day 12. Harry Plobber. Good old Harry Plobber. Right, day 12. Where are you, day 12? 21. Close. 12. Where's 12? Ah. Okay, there we go. There's 12, and we've got Hedwig. Is it Hedwig? Yeah. Hedwig, and a present, and a donut inside a box. Okay. Alrighty. Interesting. Okay, so that's Harry. Then we got next. Oopa, all my boxes are falling over and all my doors are opening because I'm pressing them as I'm picking them up. Aye. Alright, so there we go. 12 again. Right there. This one is Marvel. And we've got a candy cane. Okay. Candy cane. That's that one. Oh my god. Okay, they fell over. Okay. My boxes fall down. Okay. Star Wars. Day 12. Day 12. Right there. What have we got? Oh god, it's another ship. Really, really disappointed so far with that. City. Now, City, please give me something good. And we have a buggy for the baby that we built in the last one. Okay. We now have a buggy for the baby. Awesome. Okay. Day 12. Gonna build them. I'll be back in a minute. Okay then. So we have buggy for baby in the city, and the baby looks so cute. Okay, the baby doesn't come with it. It was one from yesterday's. But now the baby looks in place, which is very, very cool. So now you can push the baby along with one of the other characters, which is cool. I'm looking over to see one of the other characters. I've got so much stuff over here right now. It's just chucked into a pile. Not very organised. Yeah, look. Mum could be on her skis, look. Okay, awesome. Then we have the Marvel candy cane. Yeah. Impressed? Not really. Hedwig. I think that's Hedwig. And he is on top of the box that's got donuts inside. For some strange reason, Hedwig apparently likes donuts. Oh, let's get there. There we go. So there's 2 donuts in there, 1 lid, and a Hedwig. Plus the bonus of a present. So yeah, again, not all that impressed, but hey ho. And then a Star Wars ship. Wowzers, wowzers. Yeah, okay. So we can kind of do it, adjust the wings however you like. Maybe they're upright like that as it's landed, you know, whatever. But yeah, another ship, which is again not festive. What is going on? That's just crazy. Well, that's day 12 done. Baby is the best one for me. Do like the Hedwig as well, but not as much as the baby. The baby's pushchair, because now it was all coming together. Okay, see you day 13. Unlucky for some.